The scariest creatures living in the deep ocean. Imagine slowly descending into the ocean. At first, sunlight still shines through the water. Fish swim peacefully through the blue sea. But as you go deeper, the light begins to fade. The water grows darker and colder. At around 200 meters below the surface, sunlight almost disappears. And as you continue deeper, you enter a completely different world. A world without sunlight. A world under crushing pressure. A world where strange and mysterious creatures live. Welcome to the deep ocean. The deep sea is one of the least explored environments on Earth. Scientists believe that more than 80% of the ocean remains unexplored. Even today, new species are discovered in the darkness of the deep sea. Many of these creatures look almost alien. They have evolved unusual shapes, glowing bodies, and strange hunting techniques to survive. Living in the deep ocean is extremely difficult. Temperatures are close to freezing, food is very rare, and the pressure can be hundreds of times stronger than at the surface. To survive in this environment, deep-sea animals developed incredible adaptations. Some animals produce their own light. This natural light is called bioluminescence. It can attract prey, communicate with other animals, or confuse predators. In the deep ocean, glowing creatures drift silently through the darkness. One of the most famous predators of the deep sea is the anglerfish. At first glance, it looks terrifying. It has a massive mouth filled with sharp, needle-like teeth. But its most unusual feature is the glowing lure on its head. This glowing light acts like a fishing rod. In the darkness of the deep ocean, curious fish swim toward the light. When they get close enough, the anglerfish attacks instantly. Its enormous mouth opens wide and swallows the prey in seconds. This hunting technique makes the anglerfish one of the most effective predators in the deep sea. Another strange creature from the depths is the Goblin Shark. This rare shark is often called a living fossil. It has existed for more than 100 million years. Its long snout is filled with sensory organs that help it detect prey in dark waters. But the Goblin Shark is most famous for its jaws. When it attacks, its jaws shoot forward at incredible speed. This allows the shark to grab prey before it can escape. The Goblin Shark is rarely seen by humans because it lives far below the surface. For centuries, sailors told stories about enormous sea monsters with long tentacles. Many people believed these stories were myths, but scientists eventually discovered that these creatures were real. One of them is the giant squid. This mysterious animal lives deep in the ocean and can grow longer than a bus. Its enormous eyes are among the largest in the animal kingdom. These eyes help the squid detect movement in the deep darkness. Giant squid are extremely rare, and scientists have only captured a few videos of them alive. Even larger than the giant squid may be the colossal squid. This powerful predator lives in the icy waters of the Antarctic Ocean. Its tentacles are covered with rotating hooks instead of simple suction cups. These hooks allow the squid to capture large prey. The colossal squid may weigh more than 500 kilograms, making it one of the heaviest invertebrates on Earth. Deep-sea creatures often look strange because their bodies evolved for extreme conditions. Some fish have enormous mouths and expandable stomachs. This allows them to swallow prey almost as large as their own body. Others have transparent bodies that help them hide in the darkness. Many species also produce bioluminescent light. In the deep ocean, glowing animals float through the water like stars in the night sky. Despite modern technology, scientists still know very little about the deep ocean. Special submarines and underwater robots allow researchers to explore these depths. And every expedition reveals new discoveries. Strange animals, unknown species, creatures that scientists have never seen before. Some researchers believe that millions of species may still live in the deep sea. The deep ocean remains one of the last great mysteries of our planet. A hidden world filled with extraordinary life. Creatures that have evolved for millions of years in total darkness. And somewhere in the depths of the ocean, far beyond the reach of sunlight, new creatures may still be waiting to be discovered.